In this video I'm going to teach you how to rotate video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here is the footage that I already add. Okay, so select the footage, go to the effect and type here flip. In under the video effect, see transform, also horizontal flip and vertical flip. If you click drag and drop into the footage or clips, see this is vertical flip. Now see the effect control, flip apply. Okay, vertical flip is applied. So also we can use another flip, horizontal flip. Click drag and drop into here, so video is totally changed. Rotation also you can cut here, so again flip is apply here or delete. See this is flip and this is original footage. Back, click the footage, go to the effect, under the motion, see here is the rotation. Okay, when you click the rotation, see here is a mouse circle box. If you rotate like this, okay, like this, or you can negative below, or you can add 90 degree totally remove, or you can reset the below also. So here is the rotation, you can change it anywhere. If you want, say 45 degree, this 1920 by 1080 footage. Okay, so I want to rotate this on 90 degree, the whole sequence. Select the sequence, go to sequence setting, also change here 1080, also 1920. Click OK. Okay, see the sequence is rotated. Now select the footage and go to the effect control, under the motion, rotation. Now click here 90 degree. Okay, see footage is rotated here. You can rotate your footage this way. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.